Hey everyone, I'm David, and welcome to Decrypt-Ed. We're focusing on cloud access security brokers, secure access services edge, and security services edge today. We'll break down what these terms mean, why they matter, and how they've impacted the landscape of cybersecurity. So let's get started, and if you find this content helpful, become a subscriber and share this video. In the olden days, branch or remote sites would often connect back to a central or hub location where internal or private applications and other resources were hosted. Security services such as firewalls, IDS, or proxies were also frequently implemented at these centralized locations. As more applications and services moved to the cloud, there were concerns related to cloud services and a need to protect data in transit and at rest within those cloud applications. And that's where CASB came in. Defined by Gartner in 2012, a content access security broker, or CASB, is an on-prem or cloud-based software solution that sits between cloud services and users to monitor traffic and enforce security policies. Originally intended to encrypt data at rest and in transit, CASB solutions also offer data loss prevention, secure web gateway, and user and entity behavior analytics services. CASB's bridged an organization's on-premise infrastructure and its cloud services, helping mitigate the risk that cloud assets would be accessed by outside users or of unauthorized data leaks. CASB's provided visibility for who is accessing and using certain services, identifying threats, shadow IT, and sensitive data access, and could then be used to enforce security policies to mitigate threats and meet compliance requirements. Although CASB solutions did help secure cloud application access, CASB did have some limitations. CASB controls didn't always integrate with other security solutions, offer visibility for all SaaS applications that an organization might use, and CASB didn't offer any kind of network function. As the operational costs for administration and maintenance made traditional data centers more expensive and cloud services more appealing, more applications were moved to the cloud. And there was a need for improved performance and minimized latency from the network and security services. Traditional networking also required sending user traffic to hub locations using tunnels for centralized security services and access to internal resources, which could negatively impact performance and lead to increased operational complexity. With a focus on user-to-cloud experience, SASE leverages network services like SD-WAN and Zero Trust Network Access to provide connectivity, traffic prioritization, WAN optimization, a converged backbone, and self-healing for reliability and performance. Defined by Gartner in 2019, Secure Access Services Edge, or SASE, is a comprehensive solution that delivers both WAN network services and security capabilities as a service. With SASE, the security perimeter is redefined by the services offered by the cloud and not by an appliance at an organization's physical location. SASE built on top of the services offered by CASB, combining perimeter and cloud security and incorporating network access control. SASE security services could include CASB controls, secure web gateway, antivirus and anti-malware, virtual private network, firewall as a service, and data loss prevention. With SASE, the security perimeter is extended to wherever users, devices, or branches are located. And with Zero Trust Network Access, SASE provides least privileged access to internal applications or resources for remote users. As users and data become more distributed, traditional networks and network security struggle with changes like remote work, cloud, and edge computing. Defined by Gartner in 2021, Security Services Edge, or SSE, can be thought of as the security aspect of SASE. Although SSE could be leveraged with an SD-WAN solution as part of a SASE framework, SSE itself isn't tied to the network. This disaggregation can be a benefit to organizations that have a diverse network architecture that isn't uniformly controlled, where an SSE solution can be used as an overlay to existing network services. SSE secures access to the web, cloud services, and private applications, as well as provides a better user experience regardless of the user or data's location. As a cloud-hosted solution, SSE should leverage globally distributed points of presence to ensure performance and reduce latency. Cloud services also offer more predictable costs, lower operational overhead, and streamlined management, scalability, and consolidation of services. The core SSE capabilities are Secure Web Gateway, Zero Trust Network Access, CASB, Firewall as a Service, and Digital Experience Monitoring. SSE solutions might also offer multi-mode data loss prevention, DNS layer security, remote browser isolation or browser containerization, sandboxing, and threat intelligence. Similarly to SASE, SSE offers a consistent policy across all channels to secure access to cloud services in the web and to connect remote users to an organization's applications, regardless of a user's location. And that wraps up our exploration of CASB, SASE, and SSE. Thank you for joining me on this journey through some of the key pillars of cybersecurity. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and found it informative. Your support makes a difference and helps guide our channel's journey in tech and security. I'm David, and this was Decrypt-Ed. Take care and stay safe.